Well. Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in today's additional of Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, September the 9th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. And now we'll continue with the binary. Yes. The binary puzzle number 5150. 5150. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count up. Boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Yes, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double one, here no, there no. Then, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I believe. Yeah, we need to compare. This column or this column or this row or this row. Let me see. Do we have double O here, double O here? Yeah, this column and that column. So we have a O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Very quick to solve this one with only 1 time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.